The future. Continuous tense in psychology is a valuable tool for describing ongoing mental states or actions that will be taking place in the future. This tense is useful for communicating thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that are expected to continue over a period of time. Let's delve into some examples to understand how the future continuous tense can be applied in psychology. Now, by this time next year, I will be studying for my master's degree in psychology. In this sentence, the speaker is expressing their intention to engage in ongoing mental activity, studying, in the future. She will be reflecting on her past experiences during the therapy session tomorrow. This example highlights the use of the future continuous tense to describe a future mental state, reflection, that is expected to occur over a period of time. They will be experiencing anxiety before the presentation next week. Here, the future continuous tense is used to convey a future mental state, anxiety, that is likely to persist leading up to the presentation. He will be overcoming his fear of public speaking with the help of cognitive behavioral therapy. This sentence demonstrates how the future continuous tense can be used to describe an ongoing mental process, overcoming fear, that will be happening in the future. We will be exploring new coping strategies for stress management in the upcoming workshop. In this case, the future continuous tense is used to signify a planned ongoing mental activity, exploring coping strategies that will continue into the future. The clients will be working on improving their communication skills with the guidance of a psychologist. This example showcases the future continuous tense in describing an ongoing mental task, working on improving communication skills that is anticipated to happen in the future. In conclusion, the future continuous tense can be a valuable linguistic tool for psychologists to describe ongoing mental states and actions that are expected to occur in the future. By using this tense effectively, psychologists can communicate their observations, interventions, and predictions regarding the mental processes of individuals. Through appropriate application of the future continuous tense, psychologists can enhance their ability to convey complex psychological concepts and provide valuable insights into the dynamic nature of human behavior and cognition.